ABODE at Ream's Pointe is a brand new 3-bedroom townhome community in Apex, North Carolina, near Beaver Creek Crossing, with EV-ready attached garages at 689 Maple Grove Way. The kitchen scene at ABODE at Ream's Pointe shows quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a gas stove, matching the modern kitchen features listed for these townhomes. Bedroom views connect to the spacious 3-bedroom floor plans, with large walk-in closets included among the listed ABODE at Ream's Pointe townhome features. The living room highlights modern wood-style flooring and an open layout, features listed for ABODE at Ream's Pointe townhomes in Apex, North Carolina. The laundry area shows an energy-efficient washer and dryer included in-home, with Google Fiber and smart home technology also listed as ABODE at Ream's Pointe features. Fenced backyards frame the final exterior view. For ABODE at Ream's Pointe, visit abodereamspointe.com or call 984-677-3083.